Hey guys, we received this TIJN computer glasses for test and try. So these are actually reliable screen glasses. Just the glasses itself will block the blue light, so it's pretty good for a long time computer work. This is a clear glass frame, as you can see it here, and the premium quality glasses. So the plastic frame and looks and feel really nice here. Also like this have this cushionable or like comfortable nose pad and easily or the strong band to take out these straps like multiple times. So it's a really nice um, glasses, I will say, and comes with this microfiber cloth just so that you can clean and things easily. So hinges are spring hinges, so it's good for a long time use. And also the lenses is the blue light blocking lenses, so it's pretty good for your computer working or the long time things working.